The Guptas will come back to South Africa to account for their sins and crimes. This is the bold promise made by Justice Minister Ronald Lamola during an urgent debate in Parliament on the failed extradition of the Gupta brothers from the United Arab Emirates. Government came under fire from opposition parties, accusing it of failing to bring back the Guptas and Shepherd Bushiri back to South Africa to face the music. eNCA's Ayesha Ismail reports.
The Minister's remark that the extradition was denied on a technicality seems to confirm the UAE's version that South Africa did not meet the legal requirements of the extradition agreement between the two countries. We did not submit a live warrant of arrest in support of our application. The application was considered with a cancelled warrant of arrest, and this is why the extradition application was apparently denied. House Chair.
Heron says the failure to extradite the Guptas from the UAE is a major blow. He questioned why South Africans should have confidence in the justice system and what guarantees are there that the Guptas and those who enabled them will be prosecuted. Justice Minister Ronald Lamola hit back at the accusations, saying South Africa did everything by the book in the extradition application.
With the extradition treaty between South Africa and the United Arab Emirates, the legal system of different countries vary, with some employing common law and others using civil law systems. Countries with civil law systems are generally less likely to extradite their citizens. Any other thing is in relation to our work that we have done with the United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates implements civil and Sharia laws in the legal framework. The legal framework in the UAE is a unique amalgamation of Islamic Sharia principles and civil laws from Egypt and France. Only family members can access the court system in the UAE. Is daydreaming by Honorable Horn that I was aware. No South African diplomat or anyone was aware of the court case when it said, because unlike our courts, it's not an open court system. It happened and we were informed on the date that we informed the South Africans.
The Guptas were not charged in the UAE and were allowed to go free. There are now fresh attempts to get them back to South Africa to stand trial and account for their role in state capture.
We are saying, as the government of this country, we will ensure that the Guptas come back to South Africa to account for their sins and for their crime. There will be accountability. It may take time because of the protracted nature of extradition, but it's going to happen. They will one day face justice in the courts of our country.
Ayesha Ismail, Parliament.